In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers in Google Docs. If you're looking to give your document a professional touch, or simply aiming to add some additional information like page numbers or document titles, headers and footers are your best friends. Let's walk through the steps together to get this done seamlessly. First things first, let's open the document you'd like to work on in Google Docs. If you're not there yet, head over to Google Drive, find your file, and click on it to open. Once your document is on your screen, we can dive right into adding headers and footers. To access the header section of your document, all you have to do is maneuver your mouse to the top part of the page and double-click. This will automatically open the header section, making it ready for you to add your content. If you're more interested in the footer, the process is just as easy. Simply double-click in the bottom margin of the page, and the footer section will come to life, awaiting your input. Now, whether you're in the header or the footer section, it's time to type in your desired text. This could be anything from your document's title, a chapter name, a date, or even your name. Headers and footers automatically format your content to run consistently across all pages, providing a uniform look and feel throughout your document. Take a few moments to look at what you're typing for any errors, and feel free to change the font style or size to match your document's theme. Google Docs gives you the flexibility to customize your header or footer just like any other text in your document. After you've entered your text and made the necessary adjustments, it's time to close the header or footer. To do this, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. This action will exit the header or footer section, allowing you to return your focus to the main body of the document. Alternatively, clicking anywhere outside the header or footer section does the trick too. And there you have it. You've successfully added a header or footer to your Google Docs document. If you need to make any edits, just repeat these steps. By mastering this skill, you can now enhance your documents and ensure they convey all the necessary information in a polished manner. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in your Google Docs journey.